Good afternoon to everyone. It's my proud privilege to get myself associated with Bharatiya Vidyapit in connection with the subject that is being proposed by Dr. Ravi Phadke, that they'll be starting this MBA specialization course shortly. And in this context, uh, he requested me to go through the syllabus and why don't you take some topics out of that. So here I find that under the operations management, the quality management is a subject topic which is consisting of about 6 units or so, and these topics I wish that I should cover in the ensuing days. Herewith, just as a sample, I am sharing with all of you about the quality management, some of the basic concepts. And just after understanding this, we'll be moving in this subject in more depth as we progress. Now, here you can see the concept and importance of quality management. And here, our learning objective, if you look at, is the importance of quality control, how to use quality control charts, identification of techniques of quality control, and image of an organization in an industry. So these are some of the learning objective I thought we should put before us. And let us see what quality means to us. If you go back to the historical aspect, that is the quality long ago. Here you can see the olden days, the craftsman was a person or a skilled person, and he was knowing what is the product required, and accordingly he used to have his own standards, and one person used to make certain product and he used to deliver to the customers. The challenge is to get company to act like an individual. So when it comes to an organization, in organization there'll be set of people, set of systems and procedures whereby one has to adhere to, and accordingly the quality standards also are to be established. Just to understand the quality management concept, the importance aspect is in production and operations management, where you find that the products and the services, these two things are extremely important, where the quality plays its important role. Here, what are the basic requirements of any firm that has to be understood to meet consumers' quality criteria? Then, what type of growth, national or internationally, the industry wants to go ahead, enter in new product line or other marketing projects. There also it plays. Then market and what are the schemes one would like to go for. So here in quality management, especially in production and operations management, the inputs and outputs are extremely of importance, and these inputs and outputs has to be produced, or we should receive from the suppliers, and then these are processed through various machineries, and then you get a finished product. So at each stage of operation you'll find that there are certain quality standards one has to establish and one needs to maintain. So this is what I thought I should share with you in a brief to get a feel of quality management. More details, I think, can be worked out as we progress for uh, in this particular subject over a period of time. Thanking you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. I am Bhaskar Akte, former Deputy General Manager Technical from Associated Cement Companies Limited. Thanks a lot.